Today we're going to be making that sign on another small piece of walnut. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. I went with the ore mask this time. I did not finish the piece first. I'm going to give it one more try. I really don't like the stuff, but it is what it is. Here we are. Alright. That moved. Yes. Had an issue. Overall, not bad. I guess it'll do. This one was requested to be gold. Bright gold. Alright, let's try that. And not the best weather to be painting, and it's 40 degrees in here right now. Let's see how we did. Here we are. I don't like it, you can't read it. N-G and S on the end there, and that blonde wood is just, no, not doing it for me. So we got two choices. Recut it, repaint it, or try to repaint it as it is. It's kind of close to the top. I think I'm going to recut it. I went back with the lacquer over the whole thing. Now the only thing that isn't lacquered is the letters where I cut the paint out. I'm not a fan of that ore mask. What do you think? Should it be black or white? Either way it would stand out, wouldn't it? Maybe I'll do white. It's gonna do black. I don't know. It'll be dark. And once again, it's 40 degrees out here, so I have to let this sit for a couple of days. Now that is better. That is much better. Gold just wasn't having it. Yeah, way better.